Good evening. Today is November 30, 2023 Thursday, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lock 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 30, 2023 Thursday. Here are the SL Store 3 7 p.m. result for Mandaue City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for November 30, 2023 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of November 30, 2023, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.